Hello and welcome. Today I am here to introduce Guardian Assessment Private Limited, your trusted partner for achieving ISO certification. Guardian Assessment Private Limited is an independent, impartial and leading accredited certification body. We are established under ISO 17021-1-2050, the global standard for bodies providing audit and certification of management systems. Guardian Assessment Private Limited is accreditation with UAF, United Accreditation Foundation, and accreditation body and full-time member of the IAF, International Accreditation Forum. At Guardian Assessment, we offer certification services for a wide range of management system standards, including ISO 9001 for quality management systems, ISO 14001 for environmental management systems, ISO 45001 for occupational health and safety management systems, ISO 20000-1 for IT SMS Information Technology Services Management System, ISO 27001 for Information Security Management Systems, ISO 27701-2019 PIMS Privacy Information Management System, ISO 21001 for Educational Organizations Management Systems, ISO 37001 for Anti-Bribery Management Systems, ISO 13485-2016 MDQMS Medical Devices Quality Management System, ISO 22000-2018 FSMS Food Safety Management System, ISO 41001-2018 FMS Facility Management System, ISO 50001-2018 ENMS Energy Management System, ISO 55001-2014 AMMS Asset Management System. Step into the world of Guardian Assessment, where we specialize in delivering meticulous and impartial assessments of processes. With our unwavering dedication to detail and strict adherence to global standards, we emerge as the trusted choice for ensuring excellence and compliance across diverse sectors. In addition to our certification services, we also offer specialized training programs, including Lead Auditor and Lead Implementer training for ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, ISO 13485, ISO 22000, ISO 41001, ISO 21001, ISO 37001, ISO 50001, ISO 55001, ISO 27001, and ISO 27701. These programs are designed to equip individuals with the skills and knowledge needed to effectively lead audits and implement management systems within their organizations. Why choose Guardian Assessment? Well, it's simple. Number one, expertise and experience. We have a profound understanding of the needs of organizations committed to environmental sustainability, thanks to our extensive expertise and experience in this field. Number two, customer satisfaction. Our commitment to customer satisfaction is unwavering. We offer personalized services tailored to each client's unique requirements, ensuring a seamless certification process from start to finish. Number three, accreditation and recognition. Guardian Assessment is proudly accredited by the United Accreditation Foundation, guaranteeing that our certification services adhere to the highest standards of quality and integrity. From initial consultation to final certification, we provide comprehensive end-to-end support to empower organizations to achieve and maintain quality resource efficiency, pollution prevention, and sustainable practices. As we gaze into the future, by 2025, our vision for Guardian Assessment is one of global acclaim as an ISO certification body. Our ambition extends to establishing a presence in 40 strategic locations across the globe, catering to the needs of over 3,000 esteemed clients. We are dedicated to offering certifications in 10 distinct management system standards, further solidifying our position as a leader in the industry. Moreover, we aspire to attain accreditation from ANAB for QMS and TS 16949, affirming our commitment to upholding the highest global standards in ISO certification. With determination and foresight, Guardian Assessment is poised to shape the future of certification services worldwide. Our certification process is straightforward and designed to be as smooth as possible. Stage 1 audit, a preliminary audit to evaluate preparedness. Stage 2 audit, a detailed assessment of the management system. Closure of findings, addressing and correcting any non-conformities. Certification decision, awarding ISO certification upon successful closure of findings. Surveillance audits, regular audits to ensure ongoing compliance. Recertification audits, conducted at the end of the certification cycle to renew certification. As we conclude, allow us to highlight the virtues that define Guardian Assessment Private Limited. Expertise honed through experience, integrity upheld in every interaction, and an unwavering dedication to excellence. We invite you to join hands with us, leveraging our strengths to propel your organization towards success. Together, let's forge a partnership built on trust, reliability, and mutual growth. Shake hands with Guardian Assessment Private Limited and embark on a journey of achievement. Thank you.